Hi, I'm TechO from TechO.com. Those of you who have been following me for some time will know that I'm constantly talking about the value of business planning. I believe it's one of the keystones of business success. You would have heard me talk before about the simple process of business planning. First you define where you want to end up. Then you understand exactly where you are right now. And finally, you create strategies to bridge that gap between now and the future. But the critical key in writing an actionable business plan is to clearly define where you want to go. This sets your strategic direction so you always know if you're off track. It means you have made a decision about your business. You don't have to hem and haw about every decision because you've already decided what's best for you and what direction you're going. And in doing so, the many choices you're faced with on a day-to-day basis becomes only one viable choice. A real, clearly defined vision of where you want to go answers many strategic and day-to-day operational questions. What do I have to do in this situation? You do what's best to get you to your vision. Well, how do I do that? You determine your goals and strategies that will get you from A to B. I've got two choices. Should I do this or that? Which action will get you from A to B faster and more sustainably? Oh, I have so many things to do. Which one should I focus on? Which one is more important right now to get you from A to B faster? Who out of all these applicants should I be employing? Who do you think is more suited to helping you get from A to B? Which product should I add to my range? Which product will help you get to B faster and more consistently? You get the idea. When you know exactly what your vision is, you can measure everything by it. But one thing many people tell me is that they find it hard to keep their vision right there in front of them. They describe what they want to look like at the end of the day, and then they get caught up. On a day-to-day basis, they forget to apply the vision as a measurement, and soon they forget about that single strategic direction altogether. They're starting to weave all over the place. They're back into day-to-day decision-making chaos. Well, you cannot forget. You can't get caught up so that you forget. But I know, we're human beings and we respond to stimuli. So once you've written your vision statement, it's no longer stimulating you. The next big bad thing that pops up takes your attention, right? So I've got a suggestion to help you create a stimuli so that you keep your vision foremost. First, make sure that you write down the description of your vision. It's not good enough to have it in your head because we will forget. We will change the words around so that in a couple of months, either it says something different or you've forgotten what it means. So write it down, that's number one. I don't care if it's one sentence or several long paragraphs, whatever works for you in describing what your business of the future will look like, your ultimate vision. Whatever you can use to describe it to others so that they understand what you're trying to achieve as well as you do. Number two, I want you to look at your vision statement from 4 different perspectives. Now, perspectives are like different points of view. Imagine if you went to a concert as a fan of the band. Your fan perspective will take in what the music means to you, how the band members looked and what they wore and how their voices sounded. How did the music sound? Well, imagine if you went to the same concert as a stagehand. In your perspective as a stagehand, you wouldn't be worrying about what the band wore. You're far too busy. Your view of the concert was how long it took to get them off the stage so that you could change the set, or how heavy the equipment was when you had to change it all around, it took too long. Get the picture? Take a look at your vision from 4 different perspectives and describe the vision, your business when it got there, from those 4 perspectives. The question to answer from those 4 perspectives are, once I have attained my vision, what will my customers say about my business? So you're standing from the point of view of customers. From the perspective of employees, once I have attained my vision, what will my people be doing in the business and why will they be liking to work there? Then from the perspective of your finances, once I have attained my vision, what will my finances look like? And finally, once I have attained my vision, what key business processes will the business excel at? Now, describing this vision from these 4 perspectives will give you important measures of success. This is what success means to me as measured by my customers. This is what success looks like according to my employees in my vision. This is how I measure success when I look at the financial results. This is what success means in terms of operating business systems. It's then easier to work up day-to-day measures of success that make up what attaining your vision actually means. The next thing I want you to do is to put a printed copy of your vision statement in a prominent place. Hey, put it in several places if you want. Places where you and others will just not be able to avoid seeing it. Then for at least 3 months, I want you to take it out and read it in full every day. Then after the 3 months, continue reading it, but you can cut it down to the first of every month, say. Make this a ritual. Don't just read it and think about what getting there will mean to you, what it will mean financially, psychologically, emotionally, how you'll be rewarded. Make the attainment of the vision real and the getting of it a real passion. Then every week, start a team huddle, and if you have no team, do it by yourself. Every week, read the vision statement and the 4 perspectives and ask, what have I or we done this week that has lived up to the vision? Celebrate those achievements. Provide real rewards for the best examples. Encourage alignment and behavior that aligns to the vision. Then you ask, what have I done? And others too, if you have an open and honest context, or it might be best to start with people nominating things for themselves. What have I done this week that did not live up to the expectations of the vision? Be honest, declare it, then talk about how you will recognize this next time and change. Commit to change. Walk the talk. Once you're into your reinforcing rituals, start using the direction that's shown by your vision. Every time there's a decision to be made, get into the habit of asking, what decision will help me get to my vision faster and more sustainably? Go on, try this out. You will never beat the power of a strong, attractive vision to draw you towards success and the business you want to build. So, go make that vision real and use it on a daily basis. Remember, write the vision statement, describe it from the 4 perspectives, the customer, your people, finances, and key business processes. Display the vision statement prominently and read it regularly to get to really know it. Look for ways to reward success, publicize your own failures, and commit to change. Okay, want to know more? Get over to techo.com where I share with you loads of free tools and processes to help you grow your business. While you're there, don't forget to register your email so that I can send you these great ideas to you directly to your inbox so you can read them at your leisure. See you soon.